When you hear the word Ferrari, you think of passion, performance, and that unmistakable Italian roar. But what happens when Ferrari takes its already legendary Grand Tourer and dials it up to 12, literally? This is the 2026 Ferrari 812 Superfast. And no, the name isn't just marketing, this thing is faster, louder, and more beautiful than ever before. Buckle up. From a distance, you see grace. Up close, you feel aggression. The 2026 model refines the classic 812 silhouette, but with a sharper nose, more pronounced side sculpting, and active aerodynamics that look like they belong on a jet fighter. Ferrari has updated the LED light signature, thinned the rear profile, and tucked in new carbon fiber elements. Every inch of the body is functional, engineered to slice through air at over 211 miles per hour. Even the underbody has been reworked for more downforce and less drag. The result? A shape that whispers elegance and screams speed. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of motorsport minimalism and Italian luxury. Ferrari didn't overcomplicate things, they focused on the essentials: Alcantara, leather, and an all-digital driver's display that looks like it came from a sci-fi movie. The passenger gets their own display too, because let's be honest, they'll want to keep up with what this beast is doing. And the steering wheel? Still loaded with F1 style controls, but now with haptic feedback and even more customization. Here's where things get really interesting. Under the hood is Ferrari's latest and possibly last naturally aspirated V12, a 6.5-liter masterpiece now pushing 850 horsepower at a screaming 9,500 RPM. 0 to 60. Just 2.7 seconds. Top speed? Over 11 miles per hour. This isn't just fast, it's super fast, with an uppercase S. Ferrari's new lightweight chassis, rear-wheel steering, and an updated side-slip control system make this not just a drag strip monster, but a track-bred scalpel. And yes, it still sings. That V12 wail. Pure mechanical opera. In a world shifting towards silence and electricity, the 2026 Ferrari 812 Superfast is a roar of defiance, a love letter to combustion, to speed, and to everything that makes driving feel alive. It's not just a car. It's the last stand of the V12. If this is Ferrari's farewell to the V12, they've signed it with fire. Subscribe for more high-octane reviews, and let us know, would you choose electric silence or this thunderous masterpiece?